What if you could make money online while listening to music? By listening to music on YouTube today, you'll earn $8.25 per song. Be thrilled because you're gonna have to be ready to multiply your earnings. Today, you'll listen to as many songs as you can and you'll be earning a limitless amount of money. This may be done anywhere, even while you're eating, exercising, or using your phone. You can use this method on a daily basis and repeat it over and over again. This is a brand new strategy, and I'll show you the best websites to use for this method. Additionally, this is completely free, secure, legitimate, and this process can be used from any location on the planet. So if you want to make money from this approach, all you have to do is to keep an eye out until the end of the video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. This is the first website, and you should go to current.us is the name of the website, and this is how it looks like on the homepage. This is the finest app to utilize for this strategy, and it's where you'll get paid just for listening to music. You may actually receive rewards on this website while doing your exercise, as shown right here. As I previously stated, you can do this while eating, drinking, exercising, or even sleeping. To put it in another way, you can make money no matter what you're doing. You may even leave the music on the background while going about your day and still start earning. This app is accessible on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, as you can see right here. You may check how the app appears on the App Store by clicking this icon. This is the way the logo looks, and this is the app's name. Check out the current app's ratings now. It gained a 4.5 rating from 54.2 thousand users, which is excellent. Based on the facts, you might assume that the software we're discussing is both functional and reputable. However, if you have an Android phone, you can visit the app in Google Play by pressing this button. This is the application's logo, as well as the app's name. If you scroll down, you'll notice that the app has over 2 million ratings and an overall rating of 4.4 stars. In general, the current.us app is an excellent and reliable tool for earning money while listening to music. We're just getting started with the platform's features, so make sure you watch the entire video because this method is one of the easiest and most unique tutorials I'll be discussing in the channel. To continue with the website's features, you'll see that you can earn points by playing your favorite music. Finally, you may use your points to purchase gift cards for your favorite services or turn them into cash. Scrolling down, you'll notice that this app has over 100,000 radio stations, with YouTube and YouTube Music being one of them. I want you to focus and pay close attention to what I'm about to discuss right now so that you won't get lost in the process. You can now start listening to current.us radio stations after downloading the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. You might see anything like this when you log into your account. This is the homepage of your YouTube Music, which is one of the radio stations. This is actually powered by YouTube. And if you go down below, you'll find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists. In general, you can find all of your favorite songs right here on YouTube Music. To explain how to earn money on this platform, here's an example of one of the playlists on which the app has placed a special emphasis. And I'm gonna listen to these songs right now. As you can see, there's a lot of music in the queue, and after these songs are through playing, they automatically move on to the next song and so on. As a result, after I've played all of the songs on the playlist, current.us will immediately pay me for listening to each and every one of them. Isn't that simple and fantastic? To give you a quick tip, the magic comes when you hit the repeat button by hovering your mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner. That way, you'll immediately return to the first song and listen to the playlist again and again, resulting in you earning money over and over again, which is terrific. The last piece of advice I have for you is to make sure you have plenty of music to listen to. Make sure you listen to a lot of playlists to achieve this. For example, you can see in this playlist that I have around 20 songs queued up. As a result, I'll be able to generate money more quickly. The second piece of advice I can give you is to go to the top of the main page and look for the Explore category. When you click it, you'll be directed to a page with highly recommended songs that you should listen to in order to earn more money. As a result, I strongly suggest you to choose and listen to several of these albums and music videos in order to earn more money from current.us. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now it's time to move on to the second method of making money while listening to music, which you may already be aware of. That is by listening to a long-playing YouTube music playlist. For example, this is a playlist of Pop Hits 2020, which includes the top 40 most popular songs. You can earn money by listening to the playlist like this for an hour or so and then repeating the process. Another suggestion is to open many tabs of YouTube music playlists to listen to. As a result, the amount of effort and time required will be reduced and your revenue will be multiplied. As a result, this is a very brilliant suggestion that you must apply. Also, make sure to play these playlists for longer periods of time to get extra money. Another important piece of advice I can provide you is to use setting button. If you really want to, you can double the speed of the music you're listening to after clicking this settings button. This will allow you to save more time while still earning the same amount of money. Here's the last piece of advice. If you have a slow internet connection, you should lower the quality of the music playlist you listen to. You'll be able to listen to a lot of playlists this way because you'll be saving internet data. You might do so right now by going to the settings button and lowering the quality to the lowest setting. To recap our method, we used current.us as our app for today to cover this entire technique. This is the perfect application for listening to music while earning gift cards and earning money while using your favorite radio station. That being said, in the video, YouTube Music and YouTube are among the radio stations. Please make sure to implement all of the ideas and tricks I provided you while you listen to music, as this will undoubtedly help you maximize your online earning potentials in the long run. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Music Money. Once again, enter the code word Music Money, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.